Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on using automatically translated subtitles on YouTube. Today I will guide you through the simple process of accessing and customizing video subtitles and their translations to enhance your viewing experience. To begin, locate the Closed Captions button situated in the bottom right corner of the video player. If you click on it, you will see the automatically generated captions in English by scanning the QR code. On the main page, you can find additional information about the book. Should you prefer subtitles in a different language, simply navigate to the settings icon and select the auto-translate option. Here you can select from the languages available. For illustration, I will select the German subtitle translation for an English language video. The digital feedback map is open to growth, so let us know about your experiences. You can also select other languages. For example, to read the automated translation of this German language video, simply click on the Auto-Translate option and choose one of the languages here. Moreover, you have the flexibility to adjust the captions to your liking. By clicking on the Options button, you can access additional settings to adjust the appearance or formatting of the subtitles. Please keep in mind that automatic translation may sometimes include mistakes. This depends on the speed of the talking, the clarity of the voice, and many further factors. However, the visual display of the screen actions may help you to better understand what is meant. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy using subtitles to explore our videos in different languages.